Hi there. Have you ever faced the problem that the aperture of your lens not closing properly like this?
Oh, it's so boring with this AI voice, and I better use my voice. As you may know, a sticky diaphragm in the camera lens is the common issues, and it usually refers to the aperture plates sticking together. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem. The lens I'm copying with the same issues today in this video is the Canon FD 50mm f1.4. Right now, before removing the diaphragm component, we have to take part on front elements, and you are recommended to remember the original position of the filter thread. To here, I broke my tool. I always keep things organized and remember to be careful with the optical lens. Until here, problem is very clear that the aperture plates are sticking together because of oil. And the mission today is quite easy, that I have to clean this oil. I'm gonna use IPA, isopropyl alcohol, as the cleaning solvent for this project. On the next step, I'm gonna disassemble the aperture component and dip on the plates in the cleaning solvent and keep it there for several 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm cleaning the other parts. And make sure you keep cleaning until the results match with your demand. Before going on with the next step, if you see my video is informative and useful, please like and share it. And it would be appreciated if you could subscribe to my channel, because your subscription will support me a lot to make more videos like this. And now I'm going on with the aperture plates, and I'm gonna use the air blow to dry the IPA cleaning solvent, and then I refine the cleaning with the cotton swab. Remember, be gentle or you will bend the blade. After cleaning all the plates, I'm gonna reassemble them. Make sure you reassemble in a way that the following plates will pile up on the top of the previous one. The left corner of the video shows you the wrong assembly case to help you get rid of mistakes. The assembly of the final plate is a little bit tricky, because I have to put it under the first plate and on the top of the next one. Thank you for watching my video until here, and if you see my video is informative and useful, please like and share it. And it would be very appreciated if you could subscribe to my channel, because your subscription will help me a lot to make more videos like this. Before putting back the aperture component into the lens, make sure you fix the aperture ring at f16 and return the aperture controlling knob all the way to the right side. optical system cleaning is totally optional, and in this case I don't have to clean my optical system. I just put it back. The reassembly of the optical components should be done with care because any premature or reckless action can ruin the lens. As the final step, I'm gonna reassemble the filter thread to its original position. Hey, I hope that my voice wasn't too bad in comparison to the AI voice. And if you see my video is informative and useful, please like and share it. And please consider to subscribe to my channel because your subscription is motivating me a lot to make more videos like this. And I hope that I can see you on the next video. Bye bye.